This Go Health video is going to show you how to continue editing your custom form charts and templates. From the settings, select Form and Chart Templates. Beside the item that you want to continue editing, select the down arrow and click Edit. In the previous video, I showed you how to create categories, rows, and columns within rows. Now we're going to add in some checkboxes and other line items and images to continue creating your chart or intake form. The items under the template tools, you simply will grab them, drag, and drop them within the rows or columns that you've created. This is the checkbox item here. You grab and drag and drop the checkbox item, double click on all of the items that you do input, and you can create a title. You can select to either have a label if you want, or just simply have a checkbox by selecting no label. You can have your label name before the checkbox or after, and then you'll update the element. In this example, I created a yes and no checkbox within its own column. Always remember to put one question per row and separate your selections by columns so that when you open this in the patient's profile, it formats nicely. In the next row, I've created another question. I've put in a single line label to create a question. This is the single line label, and I've added in the checkboxes here, double clicked on them, and entered in a title. So my title is High, Unbearable, and Sharp. The user can select one or all of these options. In the next row, we've got a single line text input. So we've got a question, and I'm going to double click on this. We've added the question, and I've added in an element input width. This is how many characters I would like to be able to type in within that row. And I've selected the question to appear before the text box, and then update element. This is a multi-line input text. So I've created a question, and I've got a multi-line box where you can type unlimited text. This is my select box input. I drag and drop it, double clicked on it, I gave it a name, and I've created the question to be before my options for the user to select. And then I've simply added in daily, more than 10 day, more than 20 day, and never. To add an additional option, select Add Option and update the element. The next row, I've included an image. I simply dragged the drawing canvas into the row, and this is what I got. I double clicked on it. I was able to add in my image by selecting Images, the chart image that I uploaded onto my Global Office system under my Documents tab, located it within my custom intake form, and I've selected to use the color selector and the shape selector, and then updated the element, and this is what I get. When I open this intake form in the patient's profile, I will be able to draw on this chart. I've also created a multi-line label. This would be an item that you can use to type in any policies that you might want, or any type of paragraph that you would like within the intake form or a chart. You can also use a blank image if you wanted a patient to sign the document. Please review other custom template videos for more information.